Ada tipunas mo, tadi. Babain. Hamba na taon na ni mother mo niya eh. 79. Ni mother ko, 84. Ayan, August asok pa. Sino lang? Ano po? Gadayad mo. Nimbag na bigat. Pwede. Umuusok pa na yung nag-duck ka yan. Birthday. Oh, order ka na rin ng lechon, ha? Yeah. Sa Lakewood. Opo. Hello po. This size 515 po. 515. Laki. 562. Ilocano style. Ilocano ano man na lang yan.
November. Hindi pa dito.
Ilocano style.
Okay.
Ilocano style yan. Ilocano ka rin, te? Pilipino.
Bisaya. Bohol.
Bohol ka? Oo.
Wala kasi ano naman.
Ganda, no? Laki ng lugar, oh. Ganda. Birthday ni nanay. Ang ating lechon, uusok-usok pa, oh. Ganda ng venue niyo pala dito. A year?
Oh no, just 3 months ago.
3 months ago? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. How many people?
Like 150.
150? Oh, that's good. Till how many hours?
So they open it at 12 until 8.
Oh, that's good. Ang hayo. Lakewood.
Oh, so
Mas ano to, mas maganda.
yeah, you can walk.
Yeah, I don't know. But next birthday mo. Thank you. Feedback ah. Walang sauce magpaano. Okay. Oh, there you go. That's too much.
That's too much?
Hindi, it's okay. Gawin mo na lang ano. Tawag nito yun. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. That's it. Check muna natin. Tapos lang delivery. Okay. Grabe, 1 billion ang ano ngayon. Ang loto. Replay. Sa meron ako yan, $20. Panalo. Check natin din. Ayun. Winner. Winner. Ayun. Million. So, okay. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna...
You got 15, so...
Yeah, 15. Yun!
Right.
Alright, sir. And that's it.
You
Hopefully.
really never know.
Yeah, man. Fix fantasy. Or no, make it 5 and 5. No? Yeah, $5 fantasy 5. So total 10.
split.
Simply, yeah, split.
Okay.
And 2 super and 2 mega.
Anything else?
How much?
Right now you're 36.
36?
Yeah.
And 4 fantasy. $4.
40.
40. Yep. Alright, please. Alright, bro. Thank you. Good luck to us.
Good
Yeah.
luck. I'll be waiting.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Grabe oh. 9 billion. Woohoo! Let's go.